Do you know if these are rare or hard to find? I just did a little research. I don't know if that's true, but it's 34.99, 39.75 bucks. Hit Toy Company, 2007. Okay, I'm gonna do a little research. Maybe I can find the light pole or something. And I'm making some snowplows for revolutions, and I'm gonna post these engines with the snowplow. I have a lot of Thomas revolutions. I think this one is for Madger. Look, I found 5 buffers for the blue tracks, the blue Tomy tracks. Yeah, you're not gonna find those anywhere, but anyways, if you are interested, check the link in the description. My eBay store.